fourth day of tropical rainstorm Lorena, and we have a lot of floods everywhere. And this is our little tiny house community. And there's Pino. And let's just show you a few areas where there's some flooding. This is one of my trees flooded. We're going up to the pool. We have a nice cement dipping pool. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. And here we go. Look at that. This water is now right at the edge of the opening of the pool. And that's at least 4 to 5 inches of water, that rainwater that entered in. And it's now seeping through cracks on the side, on the other side of this pool. And it's at bird level because the birds have been trying to figure out how to drink the water, and now they can. So we'll just give you a quick look. The birds are coming out, hopping around. Everything is nice and green and lush. Absolutely beautiful. And that's it, folks. Just showing you a little bit of our community and what it looks like.